I was driving on the freeway and out of nowhere a stone hit my windscreen, cracked it right there. If you do not repair a damage like this very soon, it can get worse. It can become as bad as this or even worse. You can take a car to a shop to have it repaired, but I bought this windscreen repair kit on Amazon, which is able to do a professional job. You may also need a UV light to speed up the drying process. This is the kit in person. This is the package that it came in. It has all the tools that you need to repair the windscreen. This is pretty much all the steps that I'll be taking to repair the windscreen. First, you need to install the repair tool on the windscreen directly over the damaged area. Then you screw the resin chamber into the application base. Then you're going to drop the resin in the repair chamber. Then you're going to turn the chamber clockwise to press the resin into the damaged area. Afterwards, you wait on this to dry. Then you give this about 20 minutes to dry. After which you will remove the repair kit. Then you're going to put some resin droplet on the damaged area. Then place the cure film over the damaged area. You want to use something to squeeze out all gaps. Then you're going to leave in sunlight for about 20 minutes. If you do not have direct sunlight, you can use a UV light to speed up the drying process. Then you're going to tear off the film and scrape the excess resin. But I'm going to go through these steps right now. Now I'm installing the repair tool. So I had to do some readjustment to ensure that it's covering the damaged area. You can go inside the vehicle to get a better picture of the alignment. I am now applying the resin in the resin chamber. Then I will tighten the resin chamber clockwise to press the resin inside the damaged area. So this is how it looks after it's installed. And this is an inside view. At the moment, you're not seeing the crack. Remember, this is how the crack look before I apply the resin. So we're gonna have it sit and wait for about 10 minutes, make any adjustment if needed. And now this is after 10 minutes and I will be removing the repair kit. And now I'll be applying a small amount of resin to the damaged area, and I'll also be applying the film to the area. At this time you can use the razor provided in the kit to remove all gaps. After you remove all gaps, you let it sit in direct sunlight for about 20 minutes. If you do not have direct sunlight, this is the time you can use your UV flashlight. Now it's time to remove the film, and I'm going to use the razor to remove excess resin. And I use a piece of paper to clean the area to see if I did a good job. And as I can see right there, there's no crack visible. I really can't see any damage at this point. As you can see, giving you a close-up look, there's no damage visible anywhere. Now I'm going to go inside the car to give you an inside view. So as you can see there, no damage inside. Remember, this is how the crack look before I apply the resin.